Happy Independence Day, India, all followers in India. Hello guys, so what's up? So, how are you today? So I will call my brother.
I'm here.
Kulot!
Yes.
Kulot! Just 1 second guys.
So what is our topic for today?
Sabay tayong bumati. Dahil Independence Day sa India, so we will greet our followers from India Happy Independence Day. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Happy Independence Day, India, all my followers in India. Independence Day. So I hope Happy Independence Day to all my followers in India, and I hope today's day will give you great day. So, yun na nga, yun, kabayan, yun ang napansin ko na lagi ko yung samantalang dati naman ay Tagalog yung salita mo. Oo. Yes, that's why majority of my followers is from India and Nepal. So before, I'm doing tutorial for here in the Facebook, which is Tagalog. Alam mo naman yung Tagalog, di ba? But my followers from India, they are complaining that I cannot or they cannot understand the tutorial that I make. I'm making the content because they don't know how to speak Tagalog. So ayun, I decided to make tutorial so that you understand what I'm talking about the monetization policy. Oo. Kaya nag-ano na rin ako, nag-i-English ako. Yeah, for me, even me, I can speak English also. Small English, not too much. Para sa akin guys, tama din si Kabayan kasi nga, ang majority nga naman ng kanyang followers ay galing sa... So well, ganito kasi yun. No? So far ngayon, meron na tayong 22,000 followers. Okay, so majority ko ng followers which is from India. Pangit na din naman pag nagsasalita siya ng Tagalog tapos yung nanonood sa kanya kaya napilitan ako from Nepal, from Bangladesh. Kasi para maintindihan Tagalog siya. So diba, we know that all Filipino can speak English naman. Majority of Filipino. Well, anyway, so para sa akin naman, it's okay. Ang English mo naman is neutral. So as we know that majority of Filipino can speak English, yes. So it's better to speak English din ako. Sorry guys. Sa akin, share. Lahat ng yung supporters, all your supporters or followers they are so supportive to you.